Today we are learning basics of multiplication. Are you ready? Let's go. So what is multiplication? It's just repeated addition. Now let's learn using candies, okay? So how many jars we have here? This is one jar. This is another jar. So we have, yes, two jars. And how many candies we have in this jar? Let's count 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 candies. And how about this jar? Let's see how many candies we have in this jar. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 candies. So how do you put it as a multiplication equation? So total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. So how do you write as 6? So 2 times 3 is 6. So we still have 6 candies, but we have put them in 2 jars, 3 each. How many candies we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have same 6 candies. Now we have put those same 6 candies in 3 jars. So this is jar 1, jar 2, jar 3. So we have 3 jars. How many candies are there in each jar? Count in this. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So each jar has 2 candies. So we have total still 6 candies. So how do we write it as a multiplication equation? 3 times 2 is 6. Very good. So now we have put all the candies in the single jar. So how many jar we have? Yeah, group of 1. Very good. Now how many candies we have here? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have, 6 candies. So how do we write it as a multiplication? 1 times 6 makes 6. So we still have 6 candies. So this is another way of writing 6. So either you can write as 1 times 6 equals 6, right? Or even 6 times 1 is also 6. So another way of writing 6.